Alright, so I will be recording how to make a event on Facebook. And so first, you're going to log in to your Facebook account. Log in. Next, you're going to go over here to the side, and right here is where you see events. You click on that, and then you'll see this blue option right here for create event. You can either do a private one or a public one. I'm going to choose private event. And next, let's see. So an event on Facebook you can invite your friends to for different things. For instance, I'll say I'm going to have a baby shower. So type that in. I'll put an address in. Just pick an address right there, and then it will actually pinpoint where that is on the page. You'll put a time and date in right here. So let's say if I wanted on Saturday at 10, well, not at night, I'll say 10 a.m. Change that. And maybe I want to choose like a theme up here. We'll picture this one. Looks like baby shower one. All right, and then I'll say a little description for it. And then I would create that event, click that. Then after I do that, I would invite specific friends that I'd want. So I'd go here to invite and choose the friends. And that's it.